Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and I'm going to be featuring another card using the Rooted in Nature. And you can see the stamp set here, which I think is really nice. And the Stampin' Up! Had told us that this stamp set is actually, it was actually inspired out of the Lovely Asset 3 that is so famous with us. I think everyone loves that set. And so they decided to come up with this one. Lovely Asset 3 is still available in the new catalog, believe it or not. But I feel like this one will complement really well that one. Now, as usual, this has 16 stamps. And so you can see there's two, it comes in two cases. And as usual, it comes with a coordinating framelits. So this one is Nature's Roots. But the cool thing about this, that I pulled already two of them, is that it comes with embossing dies. So let me just show you how to use those. I've already pre-cut the leaves. You can tell here they are. I've used the coordinating, so this one, that one, and that one, the coordinating leaves. And because I wanted to show you how to use those, so let me just pull the big shot here. Oh, did I lose one? Probably. I think I did. Oh my goodness, I hate when that happens. Alright, well, let me just go right now as is. You know what? I probably need to cut another of those leaves because I just lost it here. And so anyway, let's just cut it. So I'll show you the whole thing. Let's just do that. I lost one of the small ones. So I'm not going to be using right now the, you can use a magnetic platform to cut. For right now, I'm just going to be using the regular, because that's what I have already set up. Then I'll put an acrylic mat. Does this one fit? Of course it doesn't. So let me just cut a little piece. So using this scrap of paper here. So let me just do that. And I'm going to be putting this one. Then you need another acrylic, so let's just go through it. And you have your leaf. So you see here, there's the leaf. So anyway, so let's just go over the next thing. So now, again, you get two of these when you get your big shot. So we're going to take this one away, which is the thin one. So I'm just using the thicker one. So let me just put that one here, and it's going to be on the base. Then I'm going to be putting an acrylic. Then I'm going to be putting the embossing dies. And let me just do that for right now so you can see it. And we're going to be putting this one's like so. Okay, so let me just do that. Is this not? Yeah, this is corner. Or is this that way? Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, my fat fingers. Okay, so now that I have it like so, I'm going to put a piece of washi tape. You do want to make sure you're holding them so they don't move. And so just use a piece of designer of washi tape that you have at hand, and just put them like so. And then the last one, I'm going to be putting this one like so, and let's do the same. So I'm just putting this ones just to cover them. Then here is the new thing. So we have now the Big Shot embossing mats, which you can convert any of your dies into only embossing, and of course you can use these to make the embossing as well. So I'm going to be using the blue silicone mat that we get, and then I'm going to be putting this white platform that you get, which is going to kind of replace the cutting mat. Now it takes It doesn't feel the same pressure as you usually feel when you're using your cutting mats, and that's fine. It's supposed to be that way. But when you run it through, let's just see, because this is the first time I'm using it. Voila, you get the embossing. So let me just show you how it looks. Alright, so let me just take out the big shot for a second so that we can see how this thing looks. So I'm going to be taking carefully the washi tape. Okay. And here we go. Okay. And you can see this one. It looks really nice. And again, let me just take the washi tape carefully. There we go. Pull this out. And then the last one. And the same thing. Let me pull the washi tape. Now, I think my washi tape was a little bit stronger than what I wanted. So just be careful when you're peeling it out so that you don't rip your paper. But here we go. So, anyway, so that's what it is. So, like I said, I'm very excited with these. Now, let's just go for the card. I'm just going to go ahead and put all my different elements back so that I don't lose them. Because, you know me, I tend to lose everything, especially when I am doing the video. So anyway, so let's just put everything away. Now let's go over the card. So the card here, I have very vanilla as a cardstock. Here are my leaves. I'm going to be folding it in half, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5 as the card base. So let's just fold it in half using one folder so I have a crisp fold. Then I'm going to be, this is going to go like so. So I need to have some leaves, and I'm going to be making sure I'm putting some. So I just wanted to see where would I want it to have them. And I'm going to be using the Grapefruit Grip, which is one of the new ink colors. And this is one of those new ink pads. So I am flipping it open and then I'm pushing it. The more you use them, the looser they get. So the first time you're playing with these ones, they are a little bit tight. But you can see this one I've used quite a lot. And so you can see that it's getting looser and looser. So it gets easier as you use them. So now I'm going to be doing a stamping off. The stamping off technique. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but you ink, stamp once, and then stamp here. Because I want a subtle, how do you call it? Image. You know, I don't want it to be that dark. And let me just put another one here. And I think this should be more than enough. Yes, because I want maybe another one here, you know. So just put your paper there, just so that you know how would it look. And maybe I'll do another one here. There we go. Let's see how it looks. Where's the design series paper? Here. Yes, I think like it will look really cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing a little V. So I want the paper to go, yeah, I think I like it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little banner thing, like always. I think 90% of the time, I'm always using some sort of banner, don't you think? So anyways, I'm going to be putting it like so. So we're going to be gluing this one. Oh, but before I do that, I'm going to be using my, what is this? Twine, or linen thread, I should say. And so I'm going to put a little bit of either snail or fast fuse, whatever you have. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. And I just have here enough, you know. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it like so. And then I'm going to be putting like, and if you feel like there's an area that kind of looks funny, you just rough your, what is this? Bone folder, and it should be fine. So I'm just going to leave it like so. Cut it here, and that's all you need. Then we're going to be gluing this on top. You see that? Now this section kind of looks funny too. So we're going to be doing it like so. And actually I'm going to be putting like that. And now I'm going to be gluing this section. All right, so I'm just gonna put it like this, and then I'm gonna be having my leaves somewhere like this, you know. And I probably should have glued those two as well, or who knows? No, I think it's fine. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave them like so. Let me close this because I feel like I'm gonna be putting my card right there. And I'm gonna mess it up. Now for this one, I'm gonna cut a little bit here. Yeah, like so. And then let's just stamp this one. And I'm gonna be using the You Are Wonderful with the soft suede, because that will coordinate really nice with all the other things that I have going on here. So let's just put it here. Is that what it says? Yes. You are wonderful. Oh, I'm off camera so you can see it there. And now I didn't say measurements. Oh my goodness, what's happening with me, right? So this design series paper is, let's just see, this one was 4 by 1.5. This one is a quarter by, let's just see, by 3. It's like almost 3 3/4. And then this piece of very vanilla is, and this one is 3 1/4 by 1 1/4. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and put I'm gonna hold it for a second because I need to put my leaves. And before I do anything else, I want to have the same deal here where I do this. And this one will go like so. But then for this one, I do want to have those leaves. So I'm going to be gluing this. You know what? I probably want to have this one like so. And then I'll put these little ones here. Okay, I feel like this looks really nice. And I'll put it like so. How about that? I feel like this looks really nice, don't you think? So now let's just glue this ones first. And for this, I'm going to be using glue dots because I don't want them completely flat. I want to have that dimension. So, oh. What is happening? Give me a second. Something's going on here with all my glue dots. I haven't had that happening before, so that's kind of weird. Let me just... Oh, right. Much better. Okay, so let me just grab that one. And then I'll put this one like so. Okay. And then we're going to be putting this one here, you know. But we're going to be gluing this one first. Okay. And then we're going to have this one here erased. What about that, huh? So now for this one, I'm going to be using dimensionals. And I know this video is taking a little bit longer, but I really wanted to show you how to use the new embossing platforms, or how is this called again? Yeah, the new product from Stampin' Up. And so here we go. I'll put it like so. Okay, now one other thing that I want to put on this card, it's going to be, so we've got also these rooted in, Nature's Twine from the Rooted in Nature. And you can see it comes with these 4 colors. So I'm going to be using the green, or the mint macaron, I should say, because that way it kind of gives a little bit of a pop of a color, don't you think? So let's just go ahead and do a little bow. And cut the ends. And I actually like when I end up having a bow that has the 2 little feet in opposite sides. I don't know what it is. I feel like it looks really cute. But anyway, if you like to do the other type of bow with both legs are on one side, go ahead. I like it when I end up having it like so. And we're going to be putting it right here. That way it gives a little bit something. And the last thing that I'm going to be doing is using the faceted dots. I'm going to put like a few, just a little bit, you know, just like two dots or so of this one, like so. Maybe, yeah, maybe like so, somewhere here. I don't like putting that many. I always try to do it in uneven numbers, you know. So I'm gonna put it like so, and I try to put it like in a triangle. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I feel like I'm very anal on those things, but I feel like if you don't do even numbers, it looks better. Who knows if that's true, but that's how I feel. So anyway, so this is how it looks. Hope you have liked it. And like I said, this is a brand new product out of the catalog that is being released in June. So hopefully you enjoy it. And don't you think this font is just gorgeous? So anyway, if you like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about my ordering incentive. Go to my blog, which I will put also the link on the description of this video, which is creatingwithali.com. And if you place an online order with me, you'll get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards where I provide all the things, die cutting, the paper, everything except for the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but you'll get every single embellishment that I use. And also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. So it could be faceted dots, it could be ribbon, it could be twine, it could be anything. So hopefully you like it, and I'll put also in the description of this video, as well as my blog, all the different all the links to all the products that I use, so that you can recreate this card. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.